and it makes a fiery ring, bound by a wild desire. I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames got higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet, as hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames got higher. And it burns, the ring of fire, the ring of
It has become a tradition at San Angelo National Ceramic Competition and event to close with a party of food, friends, and music to celebrate our sharing of the art spirit. This features the Old Hat Band, which includes T. Gosney Thornton and Richard Ramirez, who was one of the original chicken farm founders. We end the evening gathered together in a circle singing and dancing to this next song. Here's the Old Hat Band doing their version of Will the Circle Be Unbroken?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Well, I was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now I see. Will the circle be unbroken by my Lord, by my there's a bit of a waiting in that chicken farm in the sky. Roger wandered far and wide. Lord, he had a vision of what might be. Then he found it, an old chicken farm, a place where artists still live. with a circle be unbroken. Bye bye, Lord, bye bye. There's a better on my waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Pick it up now. And with a circle be unbroken. Bye bye, Lord, and bye bye. There's a better on my waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Well, I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but